Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your customer database with HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your customer database with HubSpot, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Contacts tab in the top menu. Click on Contacts to access your contacts database. From the Contacts view, select the Filters option to narrow down the contact list. Use the filters to specify the criteria for the contacts you want to reset. After applying your filters, review the list displayed to ensure it matches your intended selection. Next, check the box at the top left corner of the contacts list to select all filtered contacts. If you want to select only specific contacts, manually check the boxes beside each contact. Once you've made your selections, look for the More drop-down menu above the contact list. Click on More and then select Delete to remove the selected contacts from your database. A confirmation window will appear, prompting you to confirm the deletion. Read the warning message carefully, as deleted contacts cannot be recovered. If you're sure, click Delete to proceed. Now that your contacts are removed, it's time to reset your database settings. Navigate back to the dashboard and click on Settings in the main menu. In the Settings menu, locate Objects and then click on Contacts. Review and adjust any current properties or settings to ensure they meet your needs. Consider creating new custom properties for future contacts that align with your business goals. Once adjustments are complete, go back to your Contacts view to start fresh. To add new contacts, click on the Create Contact button. Fill out the necessary fields with information for each new contact. Make sure to regularly update your database to keep it accurate and relevant. After completing these steps, your customer database should be successfully reset and ready for new data. Monitor your database over time to ensure optimal performance and organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.